I'm going to make this real short since I'm in a school parking lot. I'm a little nervous. It's 8:54. So I just did the headlights and it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. So I'm going to let you see the beam pattern on the wall. I'm going to cover up the passenger side headlight. The headlights are 27 inches. I'm 25 feet away from the wall. Headlights are 27 inches up on the wall. I got a little blue tape over there. These headlights really mess with the cutoff, so you really can't really see it as good. But if I do go up here, you will be able to see where the cutoff slopes up like that over there. So yeah, let's get back here. Oh god, I'm hung up. Alright. So that's the ground. I have to start the car for the high beams since the solenoids don't turn on. Alright, let me turn on the fog lights now. Fog lights are on. That fog light's gonna be aiming through. I know the driver's side. I accidentally went over something and I backed up and I didn't realize there was a metal pole and it kind of like jacked up the headlight or the fog light. So, I guess those are yellow films on there. And headlight. Okie dokie, so I'm gonna start it up and we'll get the view from inside the car.